All right, so currently this is what our page looks like. It's pretty generic, but what I want to do is just apply that width and height property onto the elements here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the entire document itself 960. The reason being is that we are creating a fixed width web page, and what that means is that the web page has a very specific size, and it's not meant to scale depending on the browser or the device that's currently viewing it. Now, that is not normally what you want to do. Everything's more mobile first design now, which means that the stuff it'll scale and move around based on how you're viewing it, whether you're viewing it landscape or portrait, and also the resolution of the screen. But this is a little bit easier to work with, at least initially, until we learn some more advanced techniques. So the current standard is usually about 960 for the width. So I'm going to make the entire body 960, and then I'm just going to make this bottom section half that size, which it won't really show right now because we don't really have any outside elements, but you will be able to tell that this is 960. So we're just going to go in here, and inside of the body style, I'm just going to add another property. So you're just going to click after the semicolon. We're just going to go space, and all you're going to do is just do width. And I'm just going to type in 960 px. Oh, not pc, px. And that will make the width of the whole body itself and all the containing elements 960. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the section here that has the likes and dislikes and stuff. And we're just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to, after this, type in width. And we will make this. So if we're doing 960, half of that would be 480. Okay. And we'll save that. And I'm just going to go back to the page itself. We'll hit Control R, and now you're going to see that this gets cut off. Now, you can't tell because it's on the background, but this one would be right here. That's going to be the current, that's the end of this is right here. All right. That should be pretty good. So from there, we'll move on to the next bit.